Saving emails locally without the system. If you do not have this archiving system and you want to free up online mailbox space while keeping a full local copy of your emails, use Outlook Classic and export folders or emails to a .pst file. After finishing, close the Outlook data file so it does not remain loaded in Outlook. This is a particular and reliable solution and the best option for local archiving without a custom system. And the steps is in Outlook Classic. Click File. From the background menu, choose Open and Export. Then Import, Export. From the wizard, choose Export to a file. Then select the Outlook data file .pst. Select the folder you want to export. Then choose the location to save the file. Outlook will start creating the .pst file. When you need this file later, go to File, then Open and Export. Then open Outlook data file. Select the saved .pst file. Outlook will open it under Outlook data file group. You can browse and search it like a normal folder. When finished, right-click the group and choose Close Outlook data file. In this video, we covered how users work with the system, the role of the technical support, an alternative method to archive emails locally. If you have any questions or issues, you can return to this video or contact the technical support. Thank you.